Hi, my name is Adha. My group will discuss about 1MDB case. 1MDB is a wholly owned Malaysian government investment company established in 2009 by former Malaysian Prime Minister Datuk Seri Najib Razak. Its purpose is to drive long-term economic development and attract foreigner investment. The scandal involved the embezzlement of billion ringgit from 1MDB fund. Between 2009 and 2015, it is estimated that more than USD 4.5 billion over RM18 billion was embezzled from 1MDB through complex transactions involving multiple countries. The modus operandi of the fraud: first is the bond issued by 1MDB was related to investment and development purpose. The second is the funds were transferred to offshore account controlled by certain individuals. And the third is the money was used to purchase of luxury properties, financing a lavish lifestyle like yachts, private jet, jewelry, and expensive painting. The main creator of this case is Najib Razak, former Prime Minister of Malaysia, found guilty, 12 years in prison, and RM210 million fine. But that's only a small part of this big story. The mastermind is Joe Low, young businessman, cunning teacher, disappeared somewhere and wanted by the world. We will explain how the situation happened. What? 2 billion ringgit transferred but not supporting document, no approval memo. This is not right. Encik Ahmad, I've come across a huge transaction sent overseas without proper documentation. May I know who approved this?
It is above your level, Alpha. Just focus on the reports I asked for. Don't dig into things that don't concern you.
But sir, this violates our internal control. As encountered, I must report these irregularities.
Then perhaps you are in the wrong job.
Why Ada? You look so troubled. Something wrong?
I found proof of major fund transfer with no paper trail. The CFO brushed me off. I don't know what to do.
I never seen this same money flowing to offshore account. No justification. This is just mismanagement. It's a fraud.
We cannot stay silent.
I agree. I will contact the Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commissions and I will share what I know. Okay?
Alright.
Thank you, Akbar. After reviewing the documents, we have confirmed deviation and money laundering involving over USD 4 billion.
This was never about revenge. It was about protecting the public trust.
Your briefly will help restore integrity. We will move forward with legal action against those responsible, including high-profile figures.
Okay, Mr. Daha, I want to ask you, how does the 1MDB scandal highlights the importance of integrity and transparency in public finance management?
Let this be a lesson. Integrity and transparency are not optional. They are essential to protect our nation in the future.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Daha.
The 1MDB case has opened the eyes of Malaysians and the world to the danger of abuse of power, trust and wealth. This scandal has not only affected the country economy but also undermined the people's trust in leadership and institution. However, from this case also emerged a realization that transparency, integrity and justice must always be fought for. That's all from our group. Thank you.